Mga kaibigan, isang magandang tanghali ho sa lahat, especially for all the Filipino people around the world, especially for the people in China, United States of America, Russia, UK, France, and South Africa, and many others, especially to our followers, mga kaibigan. I am here today in order for you to reiterate some those things in our words today, mga kaibigan. Especially, there is a lot of questions that we have to rendering our duty to answer of these questions, mga kaibigan. Especially, we are here in our Facebook page and the YouTube channel and many others, mga kaibigan. It is because it is our duties and responsibility to respond, to discuss a little bit of knowledge that we have, mga kaibigan. In the first place, mga kaibigan, we need to know that in the highly human civilized, we need to understand everything in this world, especially we are under control of the human law of the land, mga kaibigan. At also all the basis that we have in our cultures and traditions here on earth, mga kaibigan, there is no law can intervene with that. So that's why there is a lot of people asking of these questions. So in the Holy Covenant, mga kaibigan, in the Holy Covenant, especially we are talking about the Bible. So I am not reiterating first, no? I am reiterating once again, mga kaibigan, in many in my video, that I am reiterating towards to you that I am not an expert here to discuss all the things that we have, because I am not studying more in the theology and many others, mga kaibigan. But we are here to study that I am not one of those experts to deliver of all these things, mga kaibigan, because in the first place, I am not expert for to reiterate for your satisfactions. And also, mga kaibigan, that Bible in the Protestant Bible is consisting of 66 books, mga kaibigan, and 31,102 verses, approximations 1,189 chapter in the total of 66 books, and the Old and the New Testament. And the another is 88 books, which is called, some others is original. And also for those in the Latin Vulgate, yung Sali ni Jerome is only for 75 to 79 books, which is used in the Catholic Church. So we have to discuss how long or how the human civilized to know what is the Bible. So that is a divine applications, that is a divine words, mga kaibigan, in order for us to understand. In ourselves, we are understanding, no, mga kaibigan. There is no other enemy on this universe but in ourselves. Ikaw mismo, tayo mismo. In order to, because there is a 7 deadliest sin in this universe, which is called 7 princes of hell, mga kaibigan. And then second is what is our applications, mga kaibigan, no? Yung pumapangalawa po sa ano ng tao, no? Yung si Satanas, si Lucifer ay pangatlo lang ho yung sa yung mga taong yan, mga kaibigan. So, what are those applications that we have in our life? And the standard. Kasi there are two contracting main enemy of the people, especially, mga kaibigan, that we are here in this universe, mga kaibigan. The standard and the reality of the world. There is a lot of people, they are marrying each other the same sex, no? No, lalaki kapwa sa lalaki, babae kapwa sa babae. That is the standard of the world, and they are against by the biblical text, mga kaibigan. But one thing for sure, mga kaibigan, all of that are respect by law, no, of the human civilized. So that's why wala ibang kontra dito, yung sarili ho natin. So ito na lang po ang palagi nating tatandaan, na lahat po sa mundong ibabaw na ito, we don't have enough knowledge to drive in overlapping or to disobey the obedience or not to be united. We are going to be united, mga kaibigan. That is the most very important thing. So thank you so much for those people who are asking like this. So yun na lang. Yun po ang tatlo, or the main is dalawa. Yun lang po, no? The standard of the world. So, kailangan lang po natin to understand, especially that there is a more conflict in our world today, and very lax, no? That is all the things. Patikim pa lang ng Diyos yan, no? Patikim pa lang po ng Diyos. Hindi pa yan totoo mga kaibigan. Kasi pag darating na po ang panahon, the second coming of Jesus Christ, which is pang-apat na po. The first is pumunta ang Diyos sa Garden of Eden. The second is visitation and through Jesus Christ. And also, we are now waiting for the second coming of Jesus Christ. So, before Jesus Christ coming to the earth, there is a lot of thousands, millions of angels ang umuuna ho dito. If you reading for this, mga kaibigan, before it comings for the Jesus Christ as a second coming of Jesus Christ in order to put up the judgment on the earth, mga kaibigan, pag 144,000 trusted people by God in heaven ay masisilyuhan na, mamamarkahan na ang mga agtang dito sa mga nooho nila, yan na po ay babalik na po ang Diyos, si Panginoong Hesukristo, mga kaibigan. If you want to scan all that kinds of biblical text, mga kaibigan, you can discover that, mga kaibigan. Because there is a 24 elders in the throne of the God, and surrounded by the thousand millions of angels, and also the 144,000 trusted people in representing in the 12 tribes, and also the 12 legions, and the 12 spies, and 12 disciples, or 12 kadisipulo. So all the way that mga kaibigan, it should be, pag makumpleto na po ang 144,000 na mamamarkahan na po ang mga agtang nila, that's the time na babalik na po ang Diyos. Malapit na po. Pero as of now, patikim pa lang po yon. Yung mga gera, mga kalamidad, or everything that human can derives everything in this universe, mga kaibigan. Yan lang po, no? Maraming salamat.